consistent source code formatting improves readability and facilitates analysis and patching. Most developers agree that you can be more productive with neat, well-formatted code, but find standards difficult to enforce. Each developer on a project may have different ideas about what looks good and format their code accordingly. If this is a problem for your group, you might want to give the Code Beautifier a try. The Code Beautifier is a tool that allows you to parse and output your Genero 4GL code in a consistent format. This includes properties such as keyword case, the number of spaces for indentation, and the length of lines. The Code Beautifier Format and Indent option in the Genero Studio Edit menu has been available for some time to help you format and indent your XML files. Starting with Genero 320, Format and Indent works on BDL source files as well. It will turn this very ugly source file into this. You can also find the Format and Indent option in the Context menu if you right-click on a 4GL file in the Project view or File Browser. Use Ctrl-Shift-I if you prefer an accelerator key. If you right-click on a higher project node in the Project view, you'll see the option Refactor 4GL Files. This option formats all the 4GL files that belong to the selected node. Always be sure your code compiles successfully before using the Code Beautifier. You can get unpredictable results if you use the tool on code with errors. There are a number of configuration options that allow you to customize the beautifier for your own needs. For example, you may prefer to indent 3 characters or 2 characters. In Genero Studio, look for configuration options in Tools, Preferences. In the Code Editor section, select Behavior and Display. Change the language to Genero BDL and select the Code Beautifier tab to view the default settings. Select the Use Custom Settings checkbox to enable changes. To learn more about the Code Beautifier, see the Genero Studio User Guide for information on using and customizing the Code Beautifier within Genero Studio. If you work from the command line, you can use FGL comp options to invoke the Code Beautifier, and Vim users can invoke the Beautifier from within Vim with a single keystroke. See the Business Development Language User Guide for details.